Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to split clips in Adobe After Effects. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official Adobe After Effects program right here on your PC if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of Adobe After Effects, and you'll be greeted by this menu right here, which is the composition menu where you can get started with adding your composition name. You can select the quality you want to use, fill out all the info that you need, and after that, just click OK, and we can get started, and this is going to be our project right here. So let's go ahead and see how to split any clips in Adobe After Effects. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and add the clips that we want to split. So you will go right here into the upper left corner, go to the File menu, and after clicking File, it's going to open up this new drop down menu of all the options that you can access, and one of them is going to be called import. So in the import option, we want to go ahead and get started with adding the clips that we want to split. So go ahead and find your clips in your PC and in your folders by using the file option right here, and after adding them, they're going to appear right here in the project menu, and we can get started with dragging and dropping them into Adobe After Effects. So go ahead and get them into right here, and they're going to appear on your timeline right here. So guys, now that they are on in your timeline, we can get started with clipping them, and to be able to split them, all we have to do is find the videos right here and select the moment we want to split them. So let's say we want to split them at the 8th second, select the video, and once it's selected right now, all you have to do is click the shortcut on your keyboard, which is Control Shift D. So go ahead and select Control plus Shift plus the D key, and after that guys, it's automatically going to split your video clip. Now you can go ahead and either maybe combine it with some other clips or whatever you might want to do, but you'll be able to split them using this shortcut, and after that you can do and add any effects that you might want. But yeah guys, basically that is it, how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.